once you unloosen these two bolts, this comes off and this can come off. They're only held on by two little things, just these two little things. Once you loosen these two bolts off, this comes off, this black piece comes off, and this metal thing comes off. That's the carburetor. What you want to do is unloosen this bolt, unloosen this nut you see at the bottom. You want to clean in there with carburetor cleaner, and clean inside of here with carburetor cleaner. That's basically what I did. I bolted it back together. I turned it on. Fucking started. I was like, no way. I was like so scared because I was like, what the fuck? This guy just gave me a fucking lawnmower, a working lawnmower. You know what I mean? And you know these things cost about $100 in the store. They cost about like no less than $65 on Craigslist. You know, for a good working one. And I was like, and I got this one for free. And all I did was clean the carburetor. I was like, what the fuck? You know what I mean? Like I was like so like excited, I was scared, I was happy all at the same time. And I was like, yeah, I didn't know what to do myself. I was like walking in circles, so I was just going nuts. You know what I mean? And I got this last year. I mean, today's 2016. I mean, today's 2017 of April, and this guy gave it to me, I think November or September of 2016, and it still works. I use it to cut grass to this day. It just fucking turns on amazing. It sounds fucking like the strongest lawnmower I have. It sounds like a car when you turn it on. You know what I mean? But that's how I got this lawnmower. So I'm gonna tell you how I got that lawnmower right there. I got it for free, bro. That lawnmower right there, I got it for free. I was cutting grass, and the guy was like, "Hey, can you cut my grass? My lawnmower broke. It just doesn't start anymore. I tried to pull start it, and it just doesn't start anymore. Can you cut my grass?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure, I can do it, no problem." You know, I charged him about $20 to do it. As soon as I was done, we went into the backyard, and he was checking out the grass, checking out the lawn to see the work that I did. He was like, "All right." He's like, "All right, man, thanks." He's like, "Good job, bro." And he gave me $40 actually. And he's like, "Hey, you want this lawnmower, man? I mean, you can use it for parts, or you can sell it. You know, this shit doesn't start for me. You know, maybe you can fix it." And I was like, "Yeah, sure, I'll take it off your hands." You know, back then I didn't know anything about fucking lawnmowers. I didn't know anything. I just had that one, and this was the only lawnmower that I had. I have 3 total. This one, and one in front. So I didn't know anything about fucking lawnmowers. This guy was giving me a free one, so I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Sure, you know, I'll take it home." And bam, there you go. I just got this lawnmower as a yard machine for free, bro. I just cleaned it only one time, so that's pretty good. But other than that, here we are, baby. Yeah.